Hello everyone. Um, so in the last section we were discussing about setting up the domain name and hosting, and then we stopped by where we had to install the WordPress and then perhaps making our website live. So in order to do that, we will be discussing about how the WordPress or a content management system works and how to install it when you have purchased your hosting, once you have purchased your domain name as well, and once you have connected them both. And the third step and the final step is to install your WordPress through your cPanel, and then in the next video I will give you an overview of the WordPress GUI, and I'll show you all the other options which are available in WordPress to make your website. So the first thing that you need to do in order to install WordPress is to log in into your cPanel. Now, once you have purchased your hosting, uh, you must have received this sort of email from your hosting provider. So in my case it was a HostGator, so I received this email with this headline, subject line basically, and if you scroll down a little, you will see that there is an option over here, managing your website, and then there are details of your cPanel. So in order to access your cPanel, you can just pick the login details from here, click on your cPanel link, which is the domain name slash cPanel. So when you click on that and log in, you will see this type of window opening up, right? So once you are here, you just need to scroll down a little, and then you need to just reach to the software section over here, software section. In the software section, then you need to choose Softwareculous apps installer, right? So once you are in the cPanel, go to software section. In the software section, you just need to go to Softwareculous apps installer. So once you click on Softwareculous, this type of window will open up, right? And over here there are so many softwares that you can install, but the one that we are intending to install is the WordPress. Now you just need to hover over it, and this type of window will open up, and then just click on install. Once you click on install, the setup window for the WordPress will open up, right? And you just need to scroll down. You just no need to like choose this will be automatically chosen to the latest version, so it's fine. Choose protocol, it's fine. I mean, you just need to uh, remain it chosen like this only, like HTTPS. Okay, and this will be your domain name. Okay, so domain name is already chosen. And then one thing that you have to note over here is that you just need to delete this WP. Okay, once you've deleted that, you can give the site some name. So for example, my site name is management hands, so I'll write that. Site description, you can write somewhere something like this, but this is something that you can change afterwards as well. So if you already have the site description with you, you can write it over here, otherwise leave it like that. Okay, remember multi-site, you just need to keep it unchecked. Scrolling down over here, you can define a username. You can have your unique username for the WordPress, similarly a password which is unique to you, and admin email. So here you can change your email to your personal email, or if you have already created an email, so I'll show you how to create this email as well of your website, but you can enter your personal email over here for the email. Language selected is English, and limit login attempts. If you want to limit login attempts into your WordPress, then you can do that. Otherwise, you can leave it like that only. And the final step that you need to do is to install the WordPress. So it will take some time. Once it is installed, you will be required to log in again with your login credentials, which you have entered over here, admin username and password. And once you have entered that, a window like this will open up. So when this window opens up, you can this is the final setup of the WordPress, and this is the graphical user interface of the setup. Now, over from here, the website starts building up. And now, once you have set this up, you can go over here and you can just right click on it and visit your site. So once you click on that, you will see that your website is up, but mostly it happens that oops, think there is some problem. Okay, yeah. So okay, I was like, why is it not opening? So fine. So your website will be up, but as you can see, I have made my website already. But what you will see is a blank type of website only. So not to worry, we will be using this dashboard to create our website. Now in the next video, I'll show you how to create your website. But in this video, like I'll tell you one more thing, that how to set up your personal email addresses using your hosting. So if we go back to the C panel, and if you scroll up, you will see that there is an option to emails, and then you can go into email accounts. So once you're in the email account, um, you will get an option to actually create your own email addresses. So just click on add email account, and the domain name will be already selected as your company name or your domain name. And then here you can like type in your name, or say info at the rate managementenhance.com, or the niche at the rate managementenhance.com. Once you have done that, you can create your password and then just create the account. Now in order to access the account, you just need to go into your email account, and whenever you need to access your emails afterwards, that what emails you have received, and you need to see your email box basically. So just come at the email account section and then go to access web mail, right? So once you click on that, your email account, like your personal email, like dineshpal@managementenhance.com, will open up like this. So now here you can see that what emails you have received, and perhaps you can also send emails using this, right? So here is a compose option. Here you can enter the email to be sent, and then here you can enter the text body, right? So this is a simple email, and then you got a 2 GB space for emails, right? So this is the limit that you have. But again, this is the way by which you can create your own personal emails of your own domain name, right? So I think in this video I'll cover up these things, and in the next video I'll talk about this dashboard, how to create your post, how to create your pages of your website, and I'll also look through other options which are there in the WordPress. Also, I'll share a link of uh, paid theme which you can download and use for creating your own website. Um, that's it for this video, and to see you in the next video.